Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to give you an update on our Project 328i. Car is ready for sale. This is us just cleaning it up at the car wash, getting it ready for its shot. Please make sure you subscribe to us here on YouTube and on TikTok and Instagram to follow this project from the beginning. The car turned out really nice for an auction car. We purchased it for $1,600 about 3 weeks ago and completely removed the interior and dyed it Lemans blue. And if you don't already know, that's a BMW individual color that is only found on M cars back in the 2000s and special order. Stay tuned for the end of the video for the POV drive. You can see how smooth this vehicle runs.
All right, guys,
and its condition overall, and take a look at the interior. Turned out really nice. I think the two-tone interior turned out very well, and we're happy with the end result. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe and watch the rest of this video. Enjoy.
As you can see, it was a huge transformation. Took that. It's definitely looking nice. There it is. Ready to go and for sale. This was a fun project. Car has 162,000 miles on it. We did new lenses in the front. Air conditioning works great, no check engine lights. Very happy with this car. It's got the M52, the dual Vanos. Just taking it for its final drive before it goes to its new owner. Got the climate control going, air conditioning works. I mean, the only light that's on that I couldn't figure out was the tail light, but it's not out, so I'm gonna have to mess with that a little bit. But this car's been a glorious project. I mean, the interior turned out really nice. These blue doors, the blue seats. Very happy with how these door panels turned out. Just taking it for a nice smooth drive with the windows up. Just through the neighborhood and back home. Gotta love the BMW orange lights. I love it. Just timeless. Same thing in the M3, but this 328's been awesome. Good acceleration. This thing gets up and moves. And yeah, it's not an M3, it's not a stick shift, but it's a great time. Excellent daily driver. Super clean. Again, we just hit 162,000 miles on it. It's past smog in California, currently registered. Got it listed right now for $5,000. So if you're interested, hit me up. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Garaged M3 on all the platforms. Just gonna let this go here and just take a listen to this acceleration. Here we go. So quiet and smooth. I mean, very smooth and quiet. Shifts great. If I had a need for another daily, I would keep this car. I'm just telling you. Such a nice car. But I really appreciate everyone kind of following along the project. Let me know in the comments if you think we should do another flip.